We're a large volume GM dealer. We just acquired the Buick franchise. We are a Chevy, Cadillac, GMC, Buick dealer now. So as far as our body shop goes, we take care of the whole campus right here. We're pretty much a high volume production collision facility here. We will do some mechanical work associated with collision repairs, but we're pretty much strictly body. I've been in and around automotive since 1991. I jumped back into collision back in 2002, and then I've been in and around collision ever since. So a mechanic, typically technician on the mechanical side of it, is strictly doing that kind of work. On our side, we have body techs and we have painters. And then, of course, we have the support staff that goes along with that. It's a skilled trade, and the guys that we have are definitely craftsmen, and you have to be able to kind of manage multiple cars and multiple things in our setting, but we've got a great group of guys, and they work real well together, and we're looking for team players. There's some different avenues to pursue. I'm not saying that you have to be, a body tech or a painter or anything like that, but if you want to get into like an office type setting, there's certainly roles for that too. I would first say stay in school, get good grades, and complete what your goals are and what you're doing. We look at it as people need to be able to finish tasks and move on and complete what's assigned to you. But we're in a market right now where there's some definite skilled trade people that need to start getting into the market. We've started our own apprentice training program because people just out, as far as painters and body techs, they're not out there anymore. So we're finding we're going to have to promote from within and train. So I would say there's definitely a good need for this market coming up with kids. We like to stay involved with the Career Tech Center. We brought those kids on, and there's a couple of kids right now that we have that are full-time techs that you can make some pretty good money. Usually our apprenticeship program pays somewhere in the $30,000 price range starting out while you're learning the process. And then once you come out, you're a commissioned tech, you can make anywhere from $70,000 to $110,000 a year. There's definitely a need for it, and there's some definitely good money in it.